through some great stretches you can do at the kitchen sink while you're waiting for your kids to do their homework, or you just had a stressful day and you're hanging out in the kitchen. So let's start off with your legs open. I'm not going to do both sides. I'm just going to throw a whole bunch of ideas at you. So you want to be in a position that's kind of open for a lunge, like a deeper lunge, knee over ankle, and then just go up and down and bend. So we're getting the calf up and down and bend. And I'm going to keep my head square because I want you to see how it's important to keep that spinal alignment. So a couple of those just to get the calf. And you can even roll the ankle. See the roll of the ankle either way to help that lower leg. Then get into a nice deep position, shoulders down, drop the arms and lean back. This is going to be a fantastic hip flexor stretch. If you're sitting a lot at a chair, driving in a car, you're going to need this stretch. Arms can come up. You can open up the chest, but if you feel this in the back, you're going too far. So squeeze your tushy and get it right there. Nice open chest. Then I want you to take a deep breath in all the way up. We're going to reach forward, tuck the back leg in pretty close, and we're going to do a hamstring stretch. My arms are long. I'm not trying to hold my body up. So sit back. You're going to bend and then straighten the front knee. Bend and straighten. This is going to feel great on the hamstrings and glutes. You're going to bend and straighten them. Once you've got that straight leg, tighten your thigh muscle and then rotate that toe out and in. And you're going to feel this in the back and the hips. It's going to feel really good through the shoulders as well because you're pulling. And then come on up, take that leg right on top for a square four. And you've got the sink to hold on to, so you can go back as far as you like. Still, notice my long arms? Keep them nice and straight. So you're going to sit and then lift and push against the thigh. Sit and then lift. And then on the last one, I want you to hold it and rotate the ankle. So I never just go right into a stretch for the first time and hold it hard. I want to make sure that I reset those muscles, the connective tissue in those joints. So I'm going to go up and down again, and then I'm going to reverse that circle. You can also help it with a little hand guidance to add controlled rotation for the ankle. Then I'm going to take a deep breath in all the way out. I'm going to open up my legs into a plie or sumo position. Go straight down. Notice the arms are still long. Head can be slightly forward from the hips, but you want to pull back. And then we're going to go down, reach across, pull the thigh out, and pull away from the arm. So this is an incredible back stretch. Hi, good morning. So the knees are going back, your butt is tight, and you're stretching out your lats and your lower back. I'm going to come on up, center it, take a deep breath in, sit, hand on the thigh, reach across, and pull. Hopefully you can see my knees opening up. This is for your adductors, your inner thigh. And I'm going to do that one more time. Sit and pull. And if you'd like to get a little more stretch, pull away and straighten this leg, and you're going to feel it all throughout the side of the body. And then I'm going to do that again. Down, over, pull away. I'm getting a great back and lat stretch. Our backs get so tired when we're sitting at a desk or even driving, or poor posture. Sit it on down, and then we're going to square the legs off wider than hips. So we're going to go down, bend your knees, straighten your knees. Again, hamstrings, back, butt. Bend and straighten. Let the shoulders relax, and then turn the toes out for a little IT stretch. Great way to get along the outside of the leg. Try not to lock into the knees. Come on in. We're going to turn it around. Open up that chest, and I want you to hold on to your little countertop, and we're just going to bend forward. Fingertips are on. Nice long body. Hold on so that you don't fall over. Bend your knees. Another hamstring stretch. You can walk the knees out, which feels great through the lower back and glutes. You can go up to the toes and flex, holding on, you won't fall over, and then come all the way up. I'm going to do a quad stretch. Now, this might be too high for you, so I'm going to show you a couple of alternatives. If you bounce away, this is easier for the leg. You are not going to squish the knee. I still have air behind my knee. Just squeeze the butt. Pull away, open the distance, and then squeeze the butt. Open the distance, and then squeeze the butt. And if you can't take it up on your counter, check it out. Whoop. That's going to be a little bit lower, so you can do it there. So push away, squeeze, and in, and that's going to give you some great quad stretch. Take the outside leg, make sure you've got nice long straight body here. We're going to pull out and then in. This is great for lateral work for the spine. Take it in and out, and you can add the arms. You can be creative, put some music on, and then I'm going to take my leg here, cross. You're going to reach out, up, over. We're running out of time. I'm over already, and then fantastic stretch through the lower back. This leg is crossed over, outside leg's crossed over. And for the grand finale, bend, squeeze for posture, open the chest, palms on top, pull away like you're on the front of a boat. Yeah? Bend, squeeze, and lift. Drop the head side to side for a neck release. I hope you enjoyed this kitchen sink stretch. Check me out on Monday for Resistance Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody, and share it with your friends if you enjoyed it.